The first impression is something that will last in people's mind forever. Picture a grand house that can be seen from a distance with beautiful ornamentation on the facade and lush landscaping. Now, as you approach the house, you see an outdated main gate design ruins the whole value of the house. Right? Fence gate design for a home is an ideal choice to achieve desired privacy. The frame design is durable and extremely easy in terms of maintenance. The fence main gate design keeps unwanted guests like terrace or intruders away from the property. Such a design can be used over another material and is a perfect choice for large home. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video, I will show you latest trending and amazing fence gate design ideas, and also I will explain the material that will be used in gate design ideas. So please keep watching the video till at the very end, and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it for more videos, because on this channel I bring a lot of videos about home decoration ideas. And also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. The main gate design plays a very important role in increasing the curb appeal of the house. After investing your money in your dream house, you wouldn't want it to leave a bad mark. Front gate design can elevate the aesthetics of the house, and a see-through main gate design is the perfect choice. Apart from the security and practical reason, front gate design for a house also complement the site surrounding and convey an idea about the owner's personality and choice. To serve you with inspirational ideas, here are some beautiful front gate design ideas for your project. The best quality main gate design will serve you with safety, and sprinkling a touch of creativity on the entrance gate design can offer you functionality with beauty. Let's look at these attractive modern main gate design to offer you the best solution that fit your home. Is your ultimate goal to form a lasting impression on your guest? Try a black and silver steel main gate design with horizontal line. The design is a composition of simplicity and uniqueness. For a double open or swing design, if you want to let in large vehicle inside the property. Modern and sleek gray front gate design is also a good option. Gray can be perceived as an extremely modern color, and when added to the main gate design, it speaks the language of a sleek and trendy design. The steel front gate design with well-defined vertical line offer a peek inside the beautiful property and the same time ensure high security. The contemporary iron gate design can you play around with at pattern in gate design for the home? Well, why not? Don't stay confined to the typical vertical or horizontal panel. Take a more contemporary approach with iron mesh. It offers a screened view and doesn't compromise the safety of your property. For those with front yard, this is the best main gate design to plant the vibrant garden. Minimalist but loud slider main gate design. A minimalist design can have the loudest impression. This is justified by this beautiful slider main gate design. The vertical panel offer complete coverage and make a solid design. This entrance house gate design suit well for home is busy street for full protection. Along with that, the streaking design catches attention. With cutting edge technology and highly innovative ideas, you can now get the main gate design customized as per your taste. Are you a unicorn lover, or perhaps love Lassie design? Anything and everything is possible in front gate design for houses constructed in stainless steel gate. The dramatic black color can further enhance the visual appeal, and the grand wooden front modern gate is also a good choice for your front gate. Though there are a plethora of options in the market for the main gate material, still there are unique and unmatched charm in the wooden gate. Being an option for many, the wooden home gate design is impressive with its rustic appeal and magnificence. These can be contrasted with black fittings to make a gothic impression on the main gate. The trendiest front gate for house is generally composed of vertical panel forming screen instead of opting for wide screen pattern. Go for the sleek screen, adding modern charm to the property. How does the idea of having frosted glass in the modern gate design sounded? Extraordinary, I know, right? The frosted glass gate is for the ones who generally think out of the box with its unique appeal and design. The bold line form an appealing geometric pattern along with the graceful glass. Selecting one main gate design for your home is not an easy task. It's the most challenging job, as your entrance gate design will open gates into your property in your personality and can tell a lot about as a person for such an important element of the house design. You didn't want the best. Let us help you achieve that. Follow these steps while selecting your main gate design to avoid any compromise either on functionality or aesthetic. Ensure to have the proper dimension of the entrance to your home. Measure it. Are you aiming at elegance or is security the sole purpose for your main gate design? Consider the location where the gate is going to be installed. Based on that, fix on a typology that serves the function. Want to option for smart gate design, installation and automated home gate design? Make sure that the gate design for a home is as enough withstand all the climatic condition. In the end, we have discussed everything about gate design ideas and material. I hope that you like these ideas. If you like this video, please hit on like button and also please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I am very thankful you are watching my video still at the very end, because if you watch my video till at the very end, it is a great sport for me that increase the worth of my YouTube channel. Thanks again. Meet with you soon in the next video.